Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kuSibongile and Dlamini's kuleli viki elizoqala kusukela ngoMsombuluko mhla ka-6 January kuya kuLesithathu mhla ka-8 January. Ngomsombuluko mhla ka-6 January uVuma is stunned by the Induna's shocking request. Patton is surprised when Samke share her moment of vulnerability and she doesn't know what to make of it. NgoLwesibili mhla ka-7 January, uVuma probes Sibongile about her future after Induna's interesting request. An unexpected offer of friendship from an old acquaintance puts Patton in a dilemma. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-8 January, uVuma meets with the Induna. He made a difficult decision regarding Sibongile's future. A newly invigorated Samke set off into befriending Patton. Thulisile has a big decision to make about being a professional mourner. Ngiyayibamba lana ungakhohlwa ukucindezela i-notification bell nokusubscribe noma ushiye umbono wakho. Bye.